Hello everyone, today we'll continue learning HTML. In this video I'll show you the most popular HTML tags, and thanks to these tags we'll be able to create our first website. The h1 tag creates a title. We can add text inside this tag and it will be displayed as a heading in the browser window. It's divided into 6 levels, H1 to X6, with H1 being the most important and H6 the last important. This is very important for SEO optimization, and you must always remember that you can use only one H1 text into one page. Link tag is used to create hyperlinks. We can add text or other elements inside this tag to make them clickable. The primary attribute for the link tag is href, which specifies the URL of the page the link goes to. For examples, hyperlinks are crucial for navigate and linking resources, both within your site and to external sites. Okay, next tag is image. This tag used to embed images in a web page. This tag is empty, meaning it doesn't have a closing tag, and it required the src attribute to specify the patch to the image. Additionally, it's good practice to include the alt attribute to provide alternative text for the images. For examples, images enhance the visual appeal and user experience of your website. The alt attribute is important for accessibility and SEO optimization. The path tag is used to create a paragraph. We can add text inside this tag and it will be displayed as a block text in the browser window. Paragraphs are essential for organized content and making it readable. Unlike heading, you can use multiple p tags on a single page to structure your text effectively. That's it for today's lesson on HTML tags. I hope you found this video helpful and now feel more confident in using H1P, link and image tags to create your own web pages. Remember, these are just a few of the many texts available in HTML, and mastering them is a great step to become professional in web development. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more web development tutorial. If you have any questions or topic you'd like to discuss in future videos, leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next lesson.